dyno here. Jenny's up and loaded. We're warming her up right now. You can't really, you know, gotta warm her up. It's cold. Get her warmed up, get her on the dyno. We might have to change the slicks because it might spin on the dyno with these street tires, but she's sounding good. We'll see what she makes. We were hoping for a magic number, 300 horsepower. Well, let's see what she makes. Listen guys, I know you guys can't believe the internet, okay? Mustang dynos, they're heartbreakers.
Yeah.
Anyone who ever said otherwise doesn't tune or hasn't tuned on specific dynos.
Yeah, that's why I want to see 305 on it.
I want to see on this 300 on this, it earned it.
$252, 186.
What's up?
252, 186. Corrected, right?
252.
252, 186. 252, 186. First pull. That was, hey, that was only 8,000 by the way. That was only 8,000. There we go. So.
It is spinning though.
You think so? You want to put the slicks on?
Because it'll spin them out there too.
Going over it, making sure the dipstick didn't pop out. Make sure there's nothing leaking. Everything looks good. I don't see any leaks, and I didn't see anything leak. The only thing I saw was this start smoking, but this is all crankcase pressure, and it's kind of too small for the setup, so. Or just put your catch can on it. We're having a problem with the car. It likes to drop off around 6,000 RPM. So I'm trying to figure out what the issue is. See what's up. More RPMs? I need more RPM, Mike. So this is estimated crank horsepower.
Yeah, that's crank, yes.
And then this is estimated wheel horsepower, right? That's torque and that's power. 284.
Yeah, this one came up earlier than before.
Even earlier?
Yeah.
Maybe add more fuel.
Beginning of the RPM range. So I'm hitting it at 3,500. From 35 to 55, it's a rocket. And then as soon as I hit like 55, 65, it like dogs out. Like it starts to slow down like crazy.
Like VTEC's not like working properly? Because VTEC kicks in at what time?
It dies like at like 6,000. So it's 5,500 he says with VTEC. So.
But you've driven on the street, right?
Yeah, I've driven on the street. I know the dyno tells you what's happening.
Yeah, absolutely
falling off.
Unless the sensor seems like it's reading correct.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? So it's flat. It's at the right thing. I mean, I can raise the timing, but he's telling me it's dropping off at 7. That doesn't make any sense.
Early. Is it spinning up there at 7?
No. According to them, it's not.
I mean, these are not the best tires in the first.
Do you want to try? We could try. Let's change the tires.
Look at, hold on. Look at speed. Let me look at the.
See how fast you went, because.
Yeah.
How fast does the dyno read?
Yeah. What's the mile an hour on the dyno?
99? 4? Should be like
99, 100.
It should be 130.
Yeah, it's dog.
Huh?
Speed's a dog. Up top. Thumbs up.
No, but I'm saying you still made it to 9,000, right?
I made it to 9,000 though, but no speed because there's no power. The more power, the faster you get.
And if you can have like so much, we got to shoot out in like a couple days.
Then I have to scramble. Maybe put the old stinker Frank motor back in this thing.
No.
It still runs, so. Oh, wait. No, we could change the rear main seal.
Well, that doesn't work. This is racing, but we're gonna go ahead and try to do something to salvage this thing. We will see. Ugh. Ugh. Sorry, man. Guys, it's freaking Carlos's birthday.
Probably floating around up top.
Yo. It's his birthday.
Still sounds good.
I gifted him with this car right here. Here's Jenny.
I'm still happy with this. We'll fix it.
Ah!
Anything really bad, so we got something in the cylinder head. Worst comes to worst, we'll take the head off.
Fucking fuck.
Yes.
Bro, I still owe you a 10-second car, man.
You sure do, Billy.
I owe you a 10-second car, brother. Come on, brother. We got a freaking shootout to go to. And that,
Didn't work.
that didn't work. So, we got a shootout to go to. And something's physically wrong with the motor. Might be hurt. Might be something loose. Shit, there's so many things loose with this shit. This thing is so loose.
She's so loose.
So loose, but
Something's happened.
But we noticed towards the end of the dyno sesh,
it started losing power.
started
so.
dropping
You
power
know,
when
it-
it should have been making power. So
Hey, on the real, hey, if this,
it made really good power.
if
Just
this thing,
something's not right.
dog, how the heck's gonna make 284 like 7,000?
6,900. It made 284.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of here, bro. That shit was.
6871 or something.
It's not gonna hurt your feelings. Jesus.
Like, ooh, we gotta take one for the with the birthday boy.
Sir.
This is the mouthwash one. Yeah.
Tight?
You see anything like out of place?
No, I don't see any metal shavings. I don't see.
Not a
No, that's okay.
not a damn thing. She's ready for more oil.
I just want to know. I want to know oil pressure because the dip
Fuck,
could
if it was
be.
a fucking oil pressure.
Okay, so now that we physically don't see anything wrong with it, oil pressure could be pretty low because the noise could be, you know, like when you
Yo,
start a
take out
car,
the fucking thing.
Yeah,
I'll
it's
just take.
low on
low,
pressure.
low on oil, yeah,
Kind of knocks.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it sounds like the valve train's making some noise at idle. We didn't start having that issue until like towards the end.
I got some Gatorade from Chasers.
Celebration?
Celebration for the birthday boy here.
Hey,
Bomb
hey,
sake
hey.
from the homie Bottles and Boxes.
Bottles, shout out bottles and boxes.
Shout out Bottles and Boxes for sure.
So, speech.
I'm a birthday dude.
Yeah,
I can't.
happy birthday,
I mean, shit.
Yo, dog. Yo, let's go. Let's
Badass
kill it.
team.
To a new year. This 2020 can freaking suck it. 2021, we taking over.
Yeah.
Do it.
Like cucumber and alcohol.
It's weird.
Cucumber in there, but
Yeah, it's kind of, you know. Not a fan. Can I get some apple or something? Damn, can I get some?
I picked the coolest bottle I thought.
No, it's a pretty cool bottle.